Happy Friday night, traders. It's actually Friday afternoon, just about an hour before market closes, a couple hours before the market closes. I wanted to come through and update or do a new case study on UJ. As you can see, August 11th, I put out a case study on UJ and talked you through a trade scenario, a trade setup that I had taken. Um, Made a pretty, I guess, give you my analysis for it. Told you how bullish I was on UJ. I wanted to come back um, and follow up, because UJ is continuing this ferocious run to the upside. I think when I made that video, price was somewhere in the 133 area. Um, since then, price pushed all the way up to 137, so about close to 400 pips. You see the time frame. Obviously, if you're trading a funded account like myself, you'd have to get out and look for reentries and whatnot. But you're in a personal account, you could have held this trade and just follow along with the case study. So basically, I just want to talk to you about what I see. I'm still incredibly bullish on UJ, as is most experts, most financial experts, and the dollar in general. So in that last case study, I talked to you guys about this big green bar that was created by the August non-farm payroll. Then the CPI report pushed trade back down. I explained to you how I knew that we were pushing back up when we got the PPI report and all that good stuff, and then the market pushed up. So I'm going to go ahead and update you. So the market pushed up, and we tapped in to an order block, probably on the 8-hour time frame. Let me drop to the 8-hour and see if it. Okay, I can see it forming. So on the 6-hour time frame, we can clearly see a bearish order block here that was created, let's say in July. Price is now pushed back up into that order block and showing some rejection. If you notice, we broke this high here. We pulled back. We created a new high. So I'm still expecting us to push higher. So what I would like to see is a pullback, to this general area. Probably my little yellow box here. I'm going to do a very simple. I'm going to throw a fib on this move. Simple analysis, nothing too complex. My golden zone is a little bit above the area, but if you look at my 78.6 area, it's right at the top of this box. So that's what I expect, going into the week. And if I put the weekly chart up, I want you to notice how this analysis kind of lines up with where price needs to come back anyway. We have a bullish order block for this week. This week ends with a bullish order block. So next week, the expectation will be for this price to sell down, tap into the order block, and then push higher to the upside. First knocking out this high, and then we'll push up, as high as she wants to run. Again, my overall analysis is for this to run up to the 140, 142 area. Then we'll, as long as the fundamentals are strong, we can make our predictions from that point. But for anybody who's watching this, if you want to take some stress out of your trading, here this coming week, you can get on this UJ trade with your boy, sell it back down starting Sunday night. Watch it when it gets to the golden zone area, but I anticipate that it will at least push to the 61.8 before we get the turnaround. But these are simple setups. If you take a peek at my August 11th case study, you can follow that movement there. It will probably give you a little bit more confidence to start taking these trades. So the new liquidity, once we tap back into that area, will be located around 137.70. We can look to take this trade, maybe to that area, maybe a little bit higher. I don't know how high it will run next week, but all signs point to a bullish dollar. I'm also going to put together a short video on USD Chef, UF, Swiss franc, whatever you want to call it. I'm seeing some great signs of it going bullish as well. So, hey, enjoy the video. Take the setup and trade responsibly. Never risk more than 1 or 2%, I would say. And trade responsibly. You guys have a good weekend. I'll see you guys Sunday.